Purewax Glass Cleaner. Simple, easy, streak-free, anti-fogging shine on your glass. It's very, very easy to use. We get asked around a lot is why do I get the streaks onto the glass when I detail the car? The answer to that is that you got to use three things. You got to use a good quality glass cleaner, industrial grade glass cleaner or a professional glass cleaner. Don't use the ones that you get in the supermarket. We recommend to use 2 microfiber towels, one to do the dirty work for you and one to shine the car. And number 3 is smile while you do it, because you can see yourself in the mirror. Simple application. See all the sand and the dust on this blade right here. You can see all the sand. All I do is I can spray a little bit of the product onto the microfiber just to get it going. And what you need to do is spray sweeping lines again, get the product, and then all you need is straight lines, make an edge, straight lines again. Clean one side of that's the dirt. And then what we recommend is using a second clean microfiber towel, and then that just removes any excess and keeps your mirror nice and shiny and clean. And then what you can do is you can check that there's no streaking. It's a nice mirror shine, streak free. And then we check and then you can see it's anti-fogging. So what you can do is you can use it on the inside of the car as well. If you use it on the inside, there's no fogging, and you will get a streak-free mirror-based shine. It's safe to use on tinted glass. This is a tinted glass. This is also a heated glass, so there's no problem on that. You can use it on the inside, you can use it on the outside, you can use it on the mirrors, and we'll just show you how to do that. For the mirror, what you got to do is you got to spray the product directly onto the microfiber and not on the glass itself. So we take the product onto the, you can see that the product cleans away all the dirt. That was dirt sitting on your mirror. And then we just take a microfiber, a dry microfiber, and then we just lightly remove all the dirt that was there.